I'm taking a video.
Hi, Grandma. Everybody say hi, Grandma. My kids are wet.
Yeah, it's not exactly the sunniest day we've ever had. It's just beautiful. The sun's right up there. Let's see, where is it? Somewhere up there. There it is. At least we can see it. The river's over here by the side. And this trail is just beautiful. We've been following it for about, half a mile probably. Not too hard, I can do it. This is a little bridge here along the trail. You can tell this is California, huh? The way they fix everything up so nice. The trail's like paved, and, well, the part we're on isn't anymore, but sure pretty. This is the Stout Grove River Trail.
Do some things.
Yes, because this is a video.
Would you like to do some things now?
I'll do the movie if you
Jumping
don't.
jacks. Walking
Gorgeous
up the trail.
tree. Ooh. Okay, this is the famous moss. Of course, this is California moss, not Oregon moss, but I guess we're close enough to the border that qualifies. Sure pretty though, huh? It hangs down there. You can get this closer. It's jungle. This is pretty gorgeous. I think these are the old growth trees that they're talking about. Since old it's dead. Amazing trees around here, they're just beautiful. Anyway, okay, this is Aaron. He's standing there so we can sort of get an idea of how huge this is. Oh, so beautiful. Ah, and it keeps going. So pretty. In an instant. But since that tree followed me, when I come across trees like this going across the trail, I'm just a little bit, I don't know, not frightened exactly.